James, you started a new career as a body surfer?
It's a BK in a Barbados.
Eat and compared to Jamaica.
It's a BK, Barbados, better than Jamaica. Gwan Squad. Today we're going to get some food at Worthing Square, you know, our little place that with Jono and the fam, and then we're going to head to the beach and just have a little beach day, relax and things. So come along for the journey. Let's go. Wagwan guys, we're back. Worthing Square everything is locked until 3 o'clock. Don't have time for that. Say it is locked.
Gwan Squad.
We're here at Urban Kitchen to get some food, then we're going over to the beach, have a good little family beach day. So I saw this drink called Tampico and I figured I'd try it out. It's alright. It tastes like a candy, like a Laffy Taffy. Yeah, it tastes like a pink Laffy Taffy. It ain't bad, but it ain't fresh. If you know, you know. Well on guys, we just got the food. Guys, it is Jono. Talk to him.
What's happening, guys?
We're gonna go to the beach now. I'll show you guys the food and thing when we get there, but that's a family beach day. Well, big up Jono, big up LG. The rest of the squad has off today. They're all hungover. But look, a family day, you know, it's my Bajan family. And it's my little niece, Hailey Rose. You're so cute. Alright, yeah. Out. First time ever.
Good fit it?
Yeah. Right.
Oh, are we ready to call that? Perfect fun.
Oh, it is. Yeah, I'm not feeling that cold water to be honest. I just want to pour and chat some shit, so that's what we're gonna do. So what are you guys dig into? We're gonna bury Hailey Rose in there? The water was way too cold for me. I was not feeling that. I'm so exhausted. I missed all the good weather waiting for the food. Seems like I'm being a today, guys. So maybe. Alright.
James, you started a new career as a body surfer? That was a big one. Hey babe.
There we go. That's it. Gwan Squad, it's day number 365, 720 in Barbados. I've actually just been here since last Friday and it's now Tuesday, so 4 days. Yo, Barbados has an Apple store, like a certified Apple store. Don't know if Jamaica has one, not to my knowledge, but I need to go and get my computer and things sorted out. Beer problems right now and that's kind of my work life. So I'm going to try to knock that off, then go grab food. Come with me, forward. Alright, so I'm in the store called iShop. Apple authorized reseller. Beer problems with my computer right now, so my life is stressful right now. That my work off ways in me, so let's hope we can sort this out. So you know, when we go to our next country, we have to test out the fast food. So it's a BK in a Barbados. Eat and compare to Jamaica. That's a BK, Barbados, better than Jamaica. Okay, the Hershey's pie is exactly the same. Alright, squad. We just finished fixing everything at the Sheraton Mall and we just tested Barbados BK. It's actually a little better than Jamaica BK, and then Hershey's pie is the same. Just felt like Burger King, you see me? Can't have too much. Belly just started to feel away, so couldn't finish that.
I feel away!
So yeah, now we're going to go back home and get back to work. See you there. Guys, you know life is, I try to be as exciting as possible, but sometimes I'm at home working. Actually, not sometimes, a lot of times. And you know, we were doing once a week videos, which gave me time to film, find things to do. But I want to post more videos for you guys. I mean, this journey has been fun. I really enjoy YouTube and just enjoy doing things for the squad. But just letting you guys know, I'm very sorry if the last few have been boring. But in the next video, I'm actually going to show you what I do for a living. What? So stay tuned. Let's go. Gwan Squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.